Hello, I'm Justice Pat Roggensack of the Wisconsin Supreme Court. I very much enjoyed Justice Sandra Day O'Connor's comments. She has always been a favorite of mine because I've admired her writings for years. I don't happen to agree with her take on an appointed judiciary is necessary for a fair, impartial judiciary. I believe in an elected judiciary for the state of Wisconsin, and I think we are dedicated to the same goals as she is, a fair, impartial judiciary. But I do think that it can be achieved through judicial elections. So, as I said, I'm a great fan of Justice Sandra Day O'Connor's, but we do differ on this particular point.
Hi, I'm Tom Hornig. I'm a lawyer with Von Briesen and Roper here in Madison, and I just got done hearing retired Justice O'Connor. The focus of her remarks was the independence of the judiciary and also education in the schools concerning the judiciary and also how government works in general. And I found her remarks to be extremely timely, and was just delighted to be here and to be a part of this event.
Hi, I'm Betsy Abramson. I'm an attorney with Disability Rights Wisconsin here in Madison. Loved hearing from Justice O'Connor. It's inspiring to have been this up front and close with the first female justice of the U.S. Supreme Court. And I think the message she gave us today about the importance of educating the public about the independence, the need for an independent and impartial judiciary is critical. And I'm looking forward to getting involved with the initiative that she brought here and that Justice Bradley is going to start for us here in Wisconsin.
My name is Donna Jones. I'm a longtime bar member and on the Board of Governors. I was delighted that Justice O'Connor was finally able to join us today. We were honored with her presence. I was impressed with her books that she's written with her grandchildren. I think it's important to inform younger kids about the judiciary. And the judicial independence theme that she's promoting is really critical for our system. And when the judiciary is not impartial, it's dangerous for our system. So I'm glad that she's taking that message out across the country.
My name is Sarah Pitsalakis. I'm a staff attorney with Disability Rights Wisconsin. It was a pleasure hearing the judge speak today. Particularly her work trying to get children more involved in civics and encouraging them to have a better understanding of our justice system.
Margaret Hickman from Milwaukee, Wisconsin, and it is so wonderful to hear the Chief Justice delivering her message about the importance of the legal system, integrity in that system, impartiality in our judiciary, and trying to reach out not just to lawyers but to the general public, to children, and to educate our whole society about the importance of the legal system and the judicial role in that system. So we thank her for her visit and her very important message.
I'm Beth Hannon with Gass Weber Mullins in Milwaukee, an appellate lawyer. Personally, I'm very grateful that Justice Sandra Day O'Connor came to speak to the bar. Her speech, of course, spanned the scope of the audience, and in addition to reinforcing in an eloquent way the importance of our separation of powers, she charged us all to keep our role as counselors/educators and maintain a respect and understanding for our tripartite system of government.
I'm Judge Higginbotham. I'm on the Wisconsin Court of Appeals District 4. Given the current picture here in Wisconsin with respect to the amount of money that's being poured into our elections from private interests, perhaps this is the time for us to give serious consideration to the merit selection process. But that is not without its own problems as well. And so in my view, it's important to consider to continue to really think very carefully about these issues and to come up with a process that will, at least to the greatest extent possible, get rid of the politics and at the same time select individuals who are most competent to be able to perform the job. Excellent presentation today. I'm really pleased that Justice O'Connor came to visit Wisconsin.